SS304 spike strips for birds, animals, squirrels, and you have the instructions in all languages. This is the spike strip. There's 10 across of the spikes. They are 4 and then 2. Now they need to get firmly pushed in. As you can see, you're going to grab your spikes. They're a little bit longer than the other, and they are going to go into the holes. You can put the long towards the back either side, and you're going to push up, and you want to make sure you get them in both holes. If not, you're going to have to pull out. And be careful if you can't see, because they can poke you. You're going to push up by squeezing, and then when you push this all the way full to the top, it's going to snap. You're going to do the next one the same way. You're going to place them in the cross. You're going to grab again. You're going to find the hole, and you're going to push through like so. When you do all 10 of them, and you want to make one short like so, you can do so by grabbing the piece. On the bottom, every 2, they could be broken by simply grabbing them, bending them like so, and they snap right off. Each of the ends have a tongue and groove that they're going to slide in together, and you're going to lock down with your own screws. You're going to lock down with your own screws in each of the individual holes. What if I made a mistake? I grab, I push, and I'm able to take out and switch around. We're going to lock this one down outside, show you what it looks like when everything's all hooked up. These strips are all lied down. If I want to make a turn, I simply break some pieces off, and I do like so, and I place on. Get off of my little thing there. Stay away from my sedum. Oh yeah, man. We're going to teach him a lesson. Man, we can't keep everything out. Alright. You're no longer going to be able to get into my little garden right over there. It's all spiked up for ya. Watch him go. See the spikes? They do a nice job. They keep them all out, so they're able to collect their nuts and feed wherever they want and leave the plants alone. So you don't want them having anywhere inside. You put up spikes. That's what spikes are there for. Ah, see, he hops over. Couldn't get in. Oh.